So I get asked a lot about what's it like in Spain in the winter. Well, today is the 23rd of December, a couple of days away from Christmas, and we're on the Calpe Arenal in Calpe, and the temperature's about 15 degrees and it's spitting with rain. And as you can see, there is no one here. Now, yesterday it was totally different. I popped down here yesterday, but I didn't have my equipment, and yesterday it was 20 degrees, blue skies and sunshine. So each day is different, but I'm flying the drone today, so you'll get some drone shots, and hopefully you'll enjoy that. But there's just not many people around just before Christmas. Anyway, this will come out in January, the beginning of January. So I hope you enjoy your Christmas, and I hope you enjoy your New Year. And I look forward to seeing everyone in 2022. Follow me once again, going around Spain and seeing what we can find. So have a great time. Be safe. Thank you. Ciao.